Hey guys, so I'm about to feed my kombucha brew here. This is a continuous brew with the nozzle down here, and the scoby is right here on top. I don't know if you can see. It's been brewing for about a week, and it's time to feed it some sugar. So when I feed it, I usually give it about, I don't know, like a quarter cup of sugar. And take the lid off here, and you should be able to see as it goes in, you'll see the sugar goes in and the bacteria will start to eat it, and it'll start to make lots and lots of bubbles. And that's it. There it goes. There are the bubbles. That is a sign of a healthy SCOBY, a healthy kombucha. So I'm going to feed it today. I'm going to let it brew for another couple of days, and then I'm going to use this nozzle to pour it into its own bottles and add some more flavors like strawberries or lemon or whatever flavor we like. And then I'm going to add a whole new batch of black tea to this that's been cold. You don't want to add it hot. And then I'll add more sugar again, and it'll start the whole process all over again. And that is how you feed your kombucha.